This is a short tutorial on using the advanced search features of the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal, which contains more than 100,000 geospatial data resources, including scanned maps, aerial imagery, and many important vector and raster datasets. In this video, we will explore how to search for imagery. In this search example, we will look for land cover data derived from the 2009 LiDAR returns from the state of Iowa. This is a raster web service provided by the Iowa Department of Natural Resources. One of the simplest ways to limit possible results for this resource is to enter the term land cover directly into the search toolbar at the top. This gives us over 300 possible results. In cases such as this, the faceted search tools on the left are very helpful in refining our search. In addition to a hex bin map that shows the location and concentration of results that match our criteria, we also have filters for year, which allow you to search by a specific date. We have filters for place that allow you to specify a location. We also have additional faceted searches for the type of resource, the language, creator, publisher, provider, whether or not something is publicly accessible. The place filter in particular allows us to limit our resources to a very specific location. However, in this example, the state of Iowa does not appear among the options. So it's necessary to click the More button to see what other places are available among potential results. Sometimes it's necessary to click the Next button, sometimes more than once, to filter for a very specific location. In this case, only one record matches the state of Iowa, so it doesn't appear until the third page of our results. By clicking Include, we will limit our potential results to only this location. In this particular example, we know that we're looking for the year 2009, so we could enter that directly into the year filter. However, we only have one matching result. Let's go ahead and click on it. We have a preview available in this window with an opacity slider to enable users to further confirm that this is the item they want. In some cases, items such as these are specifically available for download only from their original location. Download links and links to the original source appear below the locator map on the right. Here, we can open the item directly in ArcGIS or visit its original source here. Because we want to download this item, we'll visit the original source. This brings us to the Iowa Geospatial Data Clearinghouse. Thank you for watching.